What's up, everyone? Welcome to Black Hut. Hey everyone, my name is Mark. Thanks for coming into Black Hut. I truly appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Really helps out the channel a lot. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. So, what we're basically doing in this video is I am building a little TV table. I've already started on it. I wasn't going to film this because it's the first time I've ever done it. And I figured I'd just give you a little update on what I have. So what I'm doing is basically building it out of 2x4's, ripping them down, sizing them, gluing them together, and just see how it comes out. It's, like I said, there are 2x4's that I'm not going to use, so hopefully I can make something out of it. So this is what I've done so far. Alright, so we have the tabletop glued together and in the vices. Hopefully that won't take too long to dry. I'm actually I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours, but it seems to be pretty good. This is just out of some 2x4's that I ripped on my table saw. I have the base over here. I do a little design work on that, make it look a little bit prettier, but this should be okay. It's nice and sturdy. And what it's going to do is it will go in my living room, and that's where the TV is going to go. Well, not the TV, surround sound is going to go on there, and some decorative items. So that's what we're doing right now. Should be probably another 2 or 3 days I'll be done with it. So like I said, it's just a quick project. It's nothing major. I'll show you the steps that I do as I go through it. But for right now, I'm just waiting for the glue to dry, and I'm going to be doing a ton of sanding and a ton of fixing things because I know I've done a lot of things wrong. But we'll check it out once as I go, and like I said, I'm learning as I do this. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And like I said, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. First of all, if you're new to the channel, thanks for getting this far in the video. I do appreciate it. If you could hit that subscribe button, it really does help out the channel. If you could give me a thumbs up if you like the video, you give me a thumbs down if you don't. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Again, my name's Mark, and this is Black Hut.